Okay, so today's Friday function is another enhancement for IFS Cloud 23 R1 to make warehousing a little easier and a little bit clearer for those who are at the goods indoors. And it's the addition of return material authorizations to the register arrivals window. In addition, we've got a new quick RMA registration button. I can still do this from the customer order. I can still do this from my IFS case, but in this instance, I'm going to use the assistant. So quick RMA registration. I'm returning it from customer number. There we go. A customer order number that's been shipped. And our return reason is, let's say, the customer has found it's damaged in transit. Next, and we'll return 10 units of this paint. Hit finish, RMA gets created. Let's go and see that. We then need to just push that through to released so that it's ready to be returned. So if I release that. And now the change is that this RMA no longer has the option to receive against the individual lines. We now do this as a registration of arrivals function. So let's go to the register arrivals screen now, and we'll see that RMA for us. Okay, so here we are. We can now see we've got our register arrival screen, which no longer just has purchase orders. We also have return material authorizations in here. This one's the one that I've just created. We can see there, number 7, RMA from Trevelyan Distribution. I'm going to receive parts against order deliveries so that IFS tells me which batches I actually sent to that customer. And then I'm going to receive that into, could be anywhere, it could be a standard picking type location, or it could be that we want to put that into a usual RMA type location. In this instance, I'll just put it in the sample stores warehouse. Might have had a delivery note from my customer there, and then we hit OK, and that will be received into stock. That's the end. So it's a simplified returns process by the fact that the return material authorization, which will arrive at goods in, is now showing in this register arrivals window so that I don't have to go and search for the RMA on which it's been returned before I can actually perform that transaction. Should make warehousing's life a little bit easier, and it should make it easier to write reports so that we can see what's coming in on the day as well. Hope you enjoyed it.